Hello and welcome back. I'm going to show you now an example of image painting inside Adobe's Photoshop. Adobe has implemented a number of types of image painting algorithms. Some are based on partial differential equations of the type that we showed in the previous videos. Actually, they use a high order partial differential equation, as we have seen in one of the videos in this class. And also they have implemented this smart cut and paste type of techniques that we showed in the previous video. So let's see an example. In particular, we are using the tool that is called the healing brush, and it has a number of options, as I just described, some based on partial differential equations, some based on cut and paste. And what we see here is one of the images that I showed in the previous video. This was the image to be painted. We want to remove this object. This is the result that I showed in the previous video. It was not obtained with Photoshop, but it was obtained with similar techniques of smart cut and paste and variational formulations. So let's see how we can apply the healing brush now in real time in the demo to obtain similar results of removing this. So the basic idea, I hope you can see the circle there. Let me just put it in a nice background so you can see it. And the basic idea is you kind of start painting what you want to be removed. I'm going to release now, and it's thinking, and it's gone. It's basically gone, and it's kind of the background starts to appear. Let's just do a bit more. I paint around, I brush, and it's working, and it's disappearing, and it's starting to look like this. Again, remember, this was not the original. This was painted by the techniques we described, and now it's happening in real time. Let me just do one more. And you see it starting to disappear, and it's very nicely painted, filled in. And we can keep going until we make everything that we don't want, every object that we don't want, we make it disappear by basically blending information from the background inside it. So this is a nice demo of something that is available with Photoshop. Thank you very much. I see you in the next video.